Have fun. I love you. May rest in peace.
Alright, I'll say something. Everybody ready for Boog, right? Everybody know me. I'm Boogie. Carl was my motherfucker. It's like my son died. This is my auntie. I love her to death. Everybody knows. You see it? My auntie. Carl was my motherfucker. It was good or bad. We went through so much stuff, but Carl was the type of motherfucker like, he couldn't even be mad. And I know I'll piss you off. I make you mad. I make you want to fight me. You know what I mean? And like 5 minutes later, Carl would be like, man, cuz it's good. You know, like it's good. And I just want to let you know that I just seen him on like the 4th of July.
Yeah.
I was just there. And baby was there. And I got this thing with like, smell my butt. And I put the baby's butt up to him. He was like, come on, man. Get out of here with that shit. I'm like, I love you, cuz we don't hug and shit. Because that's, we don't get down like that. But, you know, I was like, smell my butt. And when I left, he was on the fucking porch smoking a cigarette. And I'm like, I love you, cousin. I'll see you again. He might be gone, but he'll never be for fucking God. This is my boy. My baby.
You can still come to the house. You hear me?
I know he just down. He's like,
I mean that.
having like, you know, y'all motherfuckers doing all that
Don't
shit.
ever feel like you can't, yeah?
I love him, man. I love him. And I'm gonna see him again. His kids gonna drive me to where he at.